Hey there! If you're in the market for a new stand mixer, you're in the right place. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be sharing with you our top 5 picks for the best stand mixers on the market. Stand mixers are an essential tool for any home chef or baker, and we've done the research to find the best ones available. Our list includes a variety of mixers that are suitable for different needs and budgets, so you can find the perfect one for you. Whether you're making cakes, cookies, bread, or anything in between, these stand mixers will make the job easier and more efficient. After watching this video, check out the links in the description below. We've included links to each of our top picks for stand mixers, so you can easily find the one that's right for you. Without further delay, let's get started.
Hi, I'm Elise for Hamilton Beach. This 4-quart stand mixer is designed for hands-free mixing for a wide variety of foods, ranging from light and airy egg whites to sticky bread dough. A powerful 300-watt motor is great for everyday mixing and can handle thick cookie dough and whipped cream in no time. Planetary mixing action gives complete bowl coverage. The mixing head spins as it rotates completely inside the bowl, giving better mixing than traditional 2-beater stand mixers. This mixing action reduces the need to stop and scrape ingredients from the side of the bowl, saving you time. 7 speeds give you maximum versatility and precise control at every speed. Adding ingredients while preparing a recipe is easy. The head tilts up out of the way for bowl access. Non-slip feet keep the mixer still while in use, and the splatter shield guards against messy drips, drops, and spills. Attachments include a non-stick flat beater, dough hook, and whisk. All attachments, as well as the stainless steel 4-quart mixing bowl, are dishwasher safe for fast cleanup. Mix to your heart's content with the Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer. Now that's good thinking.